Hi, I'm Dimitri, Operations Manager at MillCro, where we produce environmentally safe, all-natural organic weed killers. I want to introduce you to our newest product, EarthSafe, which will eliminate the weeds in your yard without sacrificing the safety of your loved ones and the environment. Let me show you how to effectively apply the product. Step 1. Pour EarthSafe into your sprayer of choice. Step 2. Make sure your sprayer is properly pressurized. Step 3. Apply the product liberally to the area of unwanted weeds. After the product is applied, you'll see amazing results in as little as 90 minutes. Once the product is applied, our proprietary blend penetrates the weeds, causing rapid desiccation of weed tissue on contact. If you want to learn more about our organic herbicides, please visit us at millcro.com.